Hi students, this animation and description would help you to learn physics even more easier and better. So please do watch it and enjoy learning physics. Feedback in amplifiers. To overcome any adverse effect on the overall performance of an amplifier, feedback is used. Feedback is said to exist in an amplifier circuit when a fraction of the output signal is returned or fed back to the input and combined with the input signal. If the magnitude of the input signal is reduced by the feedback is called negative or degenerative. If the magnitude of the input signal is increased by the feedback, such feedback is called positive or regenerative. Principle of feedback amplifier. For an ordinary amplifier that is without feedback, let VO and VI be the output voltage and input voltage respectively. If A be the voltage gain of the amplifier, then A is equal to VO by VI. The gain A is often called as open loop gain. The general theory of feedback can be explained with the help of block diagram shown in the animation. The feedback amplifier has two parts, that is, amplifier and feedback circuit. The feedback circuit usually consists of passive components, that is, resistor, capacitor, and inductor. A fraction, say beta, of the output voltage is fed back to the input through the feedback circuit. Let V-O be the output voltage with feedback. Therefore, after feedback, the input voltage V-I becomes V-I, that is equal to Vi plus or minus beta into V-O. For positive feedback, beta is taken as positive. For negative feedback, beta is taken as negative. For positive feedback, the input voltage would be Vi plus beta V-O. When this is amplified A times by the amplifier, the output voltage after feedback V-O will be A into Vi plus beta V-O. Therefore, V-O is equal to A into Vi plus beta V-O. V-O into 1 minus beta, A is equal to A into Vi. Then the voltage gain of the amplifier with feedback is AF is equal to V-O divided by VL, that is equal to A by 1 minus A beta. Since the modulus of 1 minus beta A is less than 1, AF greater than A, the positive feedback increases the amplifier gain. For the negative feedback, the feedback fraction is minus beta. AF is equal to A divided by 1 minus A beta, that is equal to A divided by 1 plus A beta. Since modulus of 1 minus beta A greater than 1, AF less than A. Therefore, negative feedback reduces the amplifier gain. The term A beta is called loop gain and beta is called the feedback ratio. Advantages of negative feedback. Following are the advantages of negative feedback: highly stabilized gain, reduction in the noise level, increased bandwidth, increased input impedance and decreased output impedance, less distortion. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe this channel for more videos.